Today I am discuss about the MBIS 4008 business process modeling, revolution distribution of traditional banking. And firstly, I am discuss about the executive summary. The main purpose of this research is to explore revolute banking system based on distribution of traditional banking. The focus of is this research into the performance, process analysis, improvement, and additional strategies. In this presentation, we will provide effective analysis of in, insufficiency and supported of redesign future reduce process. In this case, today I will discuss the analysis of Revolut business process where the company is using business process management or BPM in order to distribute the traditional banking. This presentation discussed their current situation of challenges, future strategy, and how to BPM is helping them to make rapid digital transformation. In this presentation, we go deep how Revolut use BPM to enhance its service and beat the traditional banks. First, we all look current process and gaps, then look how to redesign to be processed that supported by latest BPM tools and technology. Next, I will summarize the benefit prills such as transformation. Is the second part was company overview Revolut. Funded 2015 UK based Fitches company service digital banking, crypto exchange and stock trading budgeting. The Fitches company Revolut to founded it. It is based on providing mobile speed based banking service like multi-currency accounts, crypto trading, instant money transfer, etc. Revolut's unique thing is that can do all this with a minimal fees and without any physical branches.